Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning student.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you. And you?
Good. I'm fine too. Thanks. Thanks for your attention, and you can join to my class today. First, before we go to the materials, let's pray together. Mari kita berdoa. Semoga apa yang kita lakukan hari ini mendapatkan berkah dan bermanfaat, dihitung ibadah oleh Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Bahmul Fatihah. Amin. And I hope you will always in good condition. Semoga selalu sehat terus. Okay, before I start this meeting, I will check your attendance. I will call your name. Then if I call your name, answer my call ya. Agit Kurnia Merdika. Agit.
Present, Pak.
Alfiano Effendi.
Present, Pak.
Bintang Muhtiar Ardi. Bintang?
Gak ada kontak.
Okay. Maybe the internet facilities is unstable in Bintang's house. Farid Dwi Mardika.
Present, Pak.
Fafian Dava Wiranata. Fafian suaranya nggak ada. Febri Naufal. Check your
Present, Pak.
Check your sound, Fafian. Your voice not. I can hear your voice. Fikri Abdul. Ghaniul Baru.
Present, Pak.
Okay, good. Vicky Dwi. Absence. Okay. Hendri Setiawan.
Present, Pak.
Kevin Rolandio Harmawan.
Present.
Open your cam, Kevin. Can you open your cam? Okay, good.
Present.
Kalau ngomong nanti kameranya sembari dibuka ya, nggak cuma mic-nya saja. Maulana Yasi Susilo.
Present, Pak.
Good. Muhammad Fikri Adi Santoso.
Present, Pak.
Yeah. Muhammad Agustino Aldiansyah.
Present.
Muhammad Admim Lana Nurona.
Present.
Open your cam, Mim. Okay, good. Farhan Alwanul.
Present.
Okay, good. Rizky Rosid Pratama.
Present, Pak.
Okay, good. Robit Faizun Tamam.
Present, Pak.
Okay, good. Putra Zain Dinana.
Present, Pak.
Raja Williansyah.
I'm here.
Okay, good. Ridho Tahfizul Fitrah.
Present, Pak.
Okay. Wahid Syaiful Ramadan.
Present, Pak.
Yeah, good. Muhammad Sultan Rafli Ibrahim. Sultan? I think
Ada, Pak.
He is still sick no. Yang punya kontaknya Sultan ya, tolong ditanyain kabarnya. Kayaknya masih sakit. Apakah? I hope he will be in good condition. Ihsan Faruriza.
Present, Pak.
Open your cam, San. San, open your cam. Can you open your cam? Nah, good. Ganteng gitu loh. Now, before we start to our material, I will ask you once again. For material today, masih ingat nggak tadi Pak Widi dalam bahasa Inggris bilang apa ke kalian? Ketika si Sultan Rafli Ibrahim tidak masuk kan karena sakit. What Mr. Widi say ketika tahu Sultan hari ini belum masuk karena sakit? Apa? Noval Dava mau jawab? Ya. Noval, kamu mau jawab kah? Apa, Wan?
Mendoakan.
Mendoakan pakai kalimat apa?
I wish.
I hope. I said earlier that I hope Sultan will be in good condition. Will be better. For today, expressing hope and wish. For today, you will learn about expressing hope and wish. Mendoakan. What is the relation with your real life? Sebagai umat Muslim, in our religion, we have to send good wish and good willingness to our friends. So we can use expression hope and wish to express good wish or good willingness. Jadi kita akan mempelajari hope and wish untuk memberikan ucapan doa. Nah, kita kan diajarkan untuk saling mendoakan yang baik terhadap sesama kita. Oke, beberapa dari kalian sudah mengumpulkan tugas yang saya berikan di awal. When we met 1 week ago, I gave you a video, and then I gave you worksheet. And some of you have done it, and we will discuss about your work. Okay, Tandri, what do you want to say something, Tandri?
Belum di absen saya, Pak.
Apa?
Belum di absen.
Oh, belum di absen. Ya, Tandri. Okay. Sorry, Tandri, kelewatan tadi kayaknya ya. Apa?
Iya, Pak.
Okay. We can continue to our lesson. For today, you will learn about expression hope and wish. Then, by discussing your worksheet, kemarin kan sudah saya kasih worksheet itu, kita akan berdiskusi. I will show you the videos again. We will watch together, maybe 2 times, and then we analyze together. No, not analyze together, but we will discuss your friends' works, and then from your works, we will get some new knowledge about the materials. Okay. Now we will start to look at the videos again. I will share my screen first. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Can you see the video? Yes? No?
Yes.
Can you hear the voice from the video?
No.
What about now? Can you hear the voice from the videos? From the video?
Can.
Okay, good.
No.
Let's start to watch the video and then discuss your answer after watching this video.
Sam, where are you going? I want to go to Jakarta. Have a seat. Okay. Why do you want to go to Jakarta? I need to continue my study. I will stay there in a long time. That's good, Sam. I hope you will have a safe trip and enjoy your study. Thank you for your help. I will miss you. I will miss studying and playing with you. So do I. I wish I could drive a train. Then I can meet you soon. You are kidding, Scott. I'm sorry, I have to go now. See you later, Scott. See you too, Sam.
How was your day, dear? Nothing special, Mom. What's wrong with you? I wish I could pass my exam. I got 60 on mathematics examination. Don't be sad. You can learn and prepare more for next exam. I hope that you can get the highest score and pass the exam. Absolutely. Thanks, Mom. My pleasure, dear. Hello, David.
Hi, Henry. Come here.
It's nice to hear that you will go to Japan.
Actually, I never imagined that I can go there.
I am proud of you. Now, you are an international football player. I hope that you win the football competition next month.
Thank you, Hannah. Wish me luck.
Of course. God bless us.
Okay. Okay. How many dialogue in the videos? Before I play once again, I will ask question to you. How many dialogues in the video?
3.
Perhatikan apa tidak tadi? Three.
3.
How many? 3 dialogue. Okay, good. Kira-kira sekali lihat sudah paham apa belum? Sudah tahu belum maksud videonya tadi? Or we watch again one time? Okay, we will watch again the video one more time and then discuss about your work.
Sam, where are you going? I want to go to Jakarta. Have a seat. Why do you want to go to Jakarta? I need to continue my study. I will stay there in a long time. That's good, Sam. I hope you will have a safe trip and enjoy your study. Thank you for your home. I will miss you. I will miss studying and playing with you. So do I. I wish I could drive a train. Then I can meet you soon. You are kidding, Scott. I'm sorry, I have to go now. See you later, Scott. See you too, Sam.
How was your day, dear? Nothing special, Mom. What's wrong with you? I wish I could pass my exam. I got 60 on mathematics examination. Don't be sad. You can learn and prepare more for next exam. I hope that you can get the highest score and pass the exam. Absolutely. Thanks, Mom. My pleasure, dear. Hello, David.
Hi, Henry. Come here.
It's nice to hear that you will go to Japan.
Actually, I never imagined that I could go there.
I am proud of you. Now, you're an international football player. I hope that you win the football competition next month.
Thank you, Henry. Wish me luck.
Of course. God bless us.
Okay, enough for the videos. Now we will talk about your worksheet. About the videos, there are 3 dialogues in the videos. In the first dialogue, what are they talking? What are they talking about in the first dialogue? Hello? Are you still here?
Hello.
Hello. What are you talking? What are they talking about in the dialogue 1?
Sam butuh Jakarta.
Nggak ada suaranya Pak tadi.
Sam go to
Di
Jakarta.
videonya tadi nggak ada. Di videonya tadi nggak keluar suaranya toh?
Botol mireng, Pak.
Keluar Pak.
Suaranya kecil,
Ada
Pak.
tapi
Sedikit
kecil Pak suaranya.
kedengaran.
Keluar.
Ada, Pak.
Ya. Kid, I told you to turn off your sound, your music, Kid. This is during the learning process. Don't dimatikan dulu musikmu itu loh, Kid. Kamu nggak dengar suaranya dari Google Meeting gara-gara muter musik kencang itu kayaknya. Ada ya, Wan ya? Awan, ada suaranya nggak, Wan?
Ada, Pak.
Ada suara videonya ada kan?
Iya, tapi
Ya.
ngeri.
Oke, it's okay.
Putus-putus Pak suaranya.
Okay, it's okay. But you have watched by yourself about the video. Let's answer the question number 1. What are they talking about in dialogue 1? What is your answer, Wan?
Sam go to Jakarta.
Some go to Jakarta. Another answer? Another answer from the other students? Ya, jawaban yang lainnya? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are Sam and Scott?
Stasiun.
Yes, in the railway station. Because who will go to Jakarta? Sam or Scott?
Sam, Pak.
Sam. Nah, Sam yang mau ke Jakarta, Sam. Now let's check your friend's answer. Let's check your friend answer. Maybe I will start with Alwanul. Oh, yang the first Fikri dulu. Kemarin yang mengumpulkan paling awal nih Fikri. Okay, I will share my screen again. Fikri. Okay, let's look. Fikri's works. Fikri, the first one who submit yang kemarin pertama kali. What are they talking about? They talk about Sam's desire to go to Jakarta to continue his studies. Is it right, guys? They talk about Sam desires to go to Jakarta to continue his study. Is it right? Betul apa tidak? Jawabannya Fikri.
Ngeblur Pak.
I will make it bigger. Betul apa tidak jawabannya Fikri yang dialog pertama ini? Gimana, Fik? Lihat jawabanmu, Fik. Betul, Fik, ini, Fik. Apa ada yang salah dalam penulisannya?
Betul
His studies, ini benar ini his studies. Benar his studies. I think it's not correct ya. Harusnya bukan his studies but his study.
Iya Pak.
Oke, ininya harusnya sorry, I will reopen again. Nih, harusnya not his studies but his study. Because studies is verb plus SES. Kalau kata bendanya study ya. Next, mention expression of hope. I hope. Fikri mana coba? Fikri ada nggak?
Enten Pak.
Fik? Oke. Try to read your answer. Read your answer, Fik. Mention expression of hope.
I hope you will have a safe trip and enjoy your study.
I hope you will have a safe trip and enjoy your study. Betul ya, tadi di video diucapkan oleh Scott, ya kan? Number 3, mention expression of wish. Read your answer, Vic.
I wish I could drive a train.
Who wish he could drive a train? Yang bilang tadi siapa? Who say that? Scott or Sam?
Sam.
No, Sam the person who go to Jakarta. So the person who said I wish I could drive a train is Scott, not Sam. Okay. Now number 4, what are the differences between expression of hope and wish? Read your answer, Vic.
Hope it is possible for Sam to have a safe trip and he enjoy his study. Wish
Okay.
it is impossible for Scott to drive a train. In fact, Hans blown about driving a train.
He hasn't knowledge about driving a train. So in the first dialogue, Sam will go to Jakarta and having continue his study. Then Scott as best friend, he hopes Sam will have a safe trip and enjoy the study. And actually, he will missing Sam. Ya, Scott will miss Sam. Oke. Then for dialog number 2, di dialog nomor 2 tadi tempatnya di mana tadi? Where are the dialogue taken place?
In car.
Mobil.
In car. Who are involved in the dialogue? Who are involved in the dialogue? Yang ada di dialog itu tadi siapa saja?
Anak dan mamanya, ibunya.
The mother and doctor. Then what are they talking about? Pick, read your question, your answer.
Oh, Pak, putus-putus.
Okay, read your answer.
They tackled about a child thesis to pass the exam.
They talk about a child desire to pass the exam. The doctor want to pass the exam. Actually, did she pass the exam? Did the doctor pass the exam? Mbak, si anak perempuannya itu ujiannya lulus apa tidak?
Boten, Pak.
Hey guys, are you still there?
Ngapa, Pak?
Are you still there?
No.
About dialogue number 2. Si anak itu tadi, si anak perempuan itu di dalam mobil kan bercakap-cakap dengan ibunya. Apa yang mereka percakapkan? Kalau si Fikri menjawab, they talk about a child desire to pass the exam. Nah, pertanyaannya Pak Widi, apakah si perempuan itu, si anak kecil perempuan itu ulangannya lulus atau ujiannya lulus apa tidak? Pass the exam or no?
No.
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 Because she got 60. She didn't pass the exam because she got 60. Then number 2, read your answer, Vic. Mention expression of hope.
I hope that you can get the higher score and pass the exam.
I hope you that you can. I hope you-nya itu cuma satu saja nggak apa-apa. I hope that you can get the higher, atau that-nya dihilangkan aja apa-apa. Nih. I hope you can get the higher score and pass the exam. Okay, good. Number 3, in dialogue 2, mention expression of wish. Read your answer, Vic.
I wish I could pass my exam.
I wish I could pass my exam. I wish I could pass my exam. Nah, di pernyataan ini maksudnya I tadi kan yang bilang the doctor. I wish I could pass the exam. What we can conclude from this expression? Kesimpulannya apa? Dia lulus ujian apa tidak? Kesimpulannya dia lulus ujian apa tidak? Di sini, di kalimat ini. I wish I could pass my exam.
No.
No. She didn't pass the exam. This is, so the differences between hope and wish, you can conclude that in the second dialogue is hope. If she studies hard, it is possible. Hope is possible that she will get higher score if the doctor studies hard. But I wish I could pass my exam mean she regrets the result of her examination. Actually, she wish pass the exam, but actually she didn't pass the exam. So she feel regrets. She regrets it. Regret about the result of her examination. Lalu sudah dapat 2 perbedaan ya. Sekarang kita masuk ke dialog yang ketiga. Di dialog ketiga itu percakapan who are involved in the dialogue. Do you still remember who are involved in the dialogue? Hey guys, are you still there?
Yes.
No.
Okay, who are involved in the dialogue?
David.
David and Hannah. Yes, that's right. David and Hannah. In the dialogue are conversation between David and Hannah in the park. I think in the park. What are they talking about? Fikri, read your answer.
They talked about David, who is now an international footballer.
Football player, not footballer. Football player. Nah, you said that David now an international football player. Where David will play football?
Japan.
What country David will play football? David main bolanya di negara apa?
Japan, Bang.
Apa?
Japan.
Japan. Okay, good. David will play football in Japan. And Fix next. Number 2, Vic, read your answer. Mention expression of hope.
I hope that you win the football competition next month.
I hope that you win the football competition next month. Okay. Is it possible, Vic, to happen? Mungkin nggak terjadi dia menang kompetisi sepak bola.
Mungkin, Pak.
Yes? Mungkin. If David work hard, maybe he will be the winner of football competition. His team will be the winner. Then number 3, mention expression of wish. Vic, read your answer.
Wish me luck.
Wish me luck. Good. And then number 4. What are the difference? Nah, perbedaannya apa, Vic? Kalau yang tadi hope-nya untuk ungkapan I hope that you will win the football competition. Fikri tadi teman-teman sudah bilang kalau itu possible, Pak. Okay. So it is possible for David to win the football competition. You have to add T, not he football, the football competition. But what is the use of wish me luck here? Wish me luck. Ada yang tahu artinya wish me luck apa tidak? It almost same with good luck. Artinya apa wish me luck?
Semoga beruntung.
Semoga beruntung. Semoga saya beruntung. Wish you luck itu kalau you-nya kamu, kalau me saya. Jadi wish me luck semoga beruntung. It is example of wish in willingness or sending good wish. Sending good wish or good willingness to other person. Itu jawabannya yang jadi seperti ini dari dialog. Kalau dianalisa the difference of hope and wish. Nah, sekarang sebelum masuk ke yang kedua, kalian sudah bisa membedakan apa tidak perbedaan antara hope and wish? Coba. Sudah bisa membedakan apa belum? Apa gunanya hope, apa gunanya wish? Sudah bisa membedakan? Halo? Who want answer? Langsung saja open your mic because I can. Oke, Noval Dava. Val, apa perbedaannya, Val?
Boleh Pak, aku pencet deh, Pak.
Febri Noval Dava pertama. Ya, kepencet itu sekali, Val, tapi kalau berkali-kali itu kan nggak kepencet kan. Don't play with your device, please. Okay. This is from Fikri Works. I think it's good. Next, we will go to the second. Saya cuma analisa 2 saja buat contoh. Yang pertama tadi punya Fikri, yang kedua ini nanti punyanya Alwan. Karena 2 anak ini yang mengirimkan tepat waktu. So you will get opportunities ya, Alwan sama Fikri to get prize from me. Nah, gini loh, ngerjakan tuh bagus. Dikasih template juga. Good one. Nice design. Okay. Look, your Alwan answer. One, you still here?
Yes, sir. Ya, Pak.
Okay. You can open your mic and your cam one to present your work. Number 1, what are they talking about? One, your answer is?
Will continue his study in Jakarta.
Oh yeah, yes. Sam will continue his study in Jakarta, but you should make capital word, capital here, Jakarta, biar tidak merah ya. Good. Then next, I think number 2, number 3 is clearly correct answer. So, but I have to check your pronunciation. One, try to read this expression.
Yang mana, Pak?
This number 2, mention expression of hope.
I hope you will have a safe trip and enjoy your study.
Okay, good. You have good pronunciation too, Alwanul. Tuh, Alwan tuh bagus tuh pronunciation-nya. Teman-teman yang lain kalau mau belajar bisa tuh belajar bareng Alwan ya. Next, kita langsung ke number 4. What are the differences between expression of hope and wish? Here, try to read your answer. One.
Scott hope that Sam's journey is fine and Scott can meet Sam.
Yeah. I think it's not clear enough about your answer in number 4. Why is not clear? Because you do not give the clear differentiation. I think what is the use of hope and what is the use of wish one.
Yeah.
In this expression, I hope you will have a safe trip and enjoy your study. My question is, it is possible for Sam to have a safe trip and enjoy his study? Is it possible for Sam?
Possible.
Yeah. So hopes here means that the expression with possibilities, having possibilities, the condition that have possibilities. So we say with hopes. And then wish here, I wish I could drive a train. In the dialogue, Scott said it. In your opinion, is it possible for Scott to be able drive a train? Is it possible?
Kalau sekolah ya bisa, Pak.
Huh? Mungkinkah di waktu itu apakah mungkin?
Bukan impossible.
So impossible. So in that time it is possible. Like this one, I think. Dan teman-teman yang lain ya, bedanya hope itu kalau sekarang kamu membayangkan sesuatu atau kamu mengharapkan sesuatu yang mungkin terjadi. For the example, I hope I can meet the teacher. Jadi kan itu mungkin terjadi kalau PPKM-nya nurun levelnya, kita bisa PTM lagi. Itu mungkin. Jadi I hope I can meet the teacher, itu bisa. Kalau yang tidak mungkin, I wish I could fly. Can you fly?
No.
Nggak bisa kan? Kita kan nggak bisa terbang. I wish I could fly. Berarti kan itu sesuatu yang tidak mungkin or impossible. Atau sesuatu yang kemungkinannya sangat kecil. For the example, in this condition, like if we say I wish a lot of money or I hope a lot of money, itu kan different context. When you say I hope I have a lot of money, itu kan berarti itu mungkin terjadi kalau kamu sudah bekerja. Kalau sekarang pakainya wish apa hope? Kalau ngomongnya banyak uang, saya harap saya punya banyak uang gitu, pakainya wish apa hope kalau sekarang? Wish. Jadi I wish I had a lot of money, ya kan? Jadi perbedaan yang pertama antara hope and wish perlu kalian catat adalah when we hope something possible, we use hope. But when we wish something impossible or is not under control, not in our control, it's better you say using wish, not using hope. Okay. And this happen in dialogue 1. Now we will look dialogue 2. Okay. Alwanul answer. What are they talking about in dialogue 2? Alwan, what is your answer?
The son got 60 on mathematics examination.
Are you sure she is a son, not a doctor? Yeah, maybe you get confused when you answer something. It's okay. So no, not son but doctor, because she is woman, not man. But the doctor and the mother, yeah. The doctor got 60 on mathematics examination. Is this your answer is correct? Is correct answer because the doctor got 60 on mathematics examination. That it is the fact. Then number 2 and number 3, you have correct answer. But who said this expression? One, I hope you can get the higher score and pass the exam. Who said this expression?
Ibunya.
The mother here. her mother. Okay. I wish I could pass my exam. Nah, this expression almost same with I wish I could drive a train. Have same context, but that between Scott and the doctor, he cannot get the situation in this situation. They can get the what they want. Di sini kan Scott nggak bisa nyetir. Kalau di sini si dokter tidak bisa lulus ujian. But the different feeling is about wish in the first dialogue and the second dialogue is in the first is impossible. Scott desire to meet his friend, but in the second dialogue it's like regretness. So in the dialogue 2, the doctor felt regret because she could not pass the exam. Okay, next for the third dialogue from Alwanul answer. Okay, number 1. What are they talking about, Wan?
Yang mana, Pak?
Number 1, dialogue 3. What are they talking about?
David go to Jam to play a football competition.
Is it right, guys? Teman-teman yang lain, jawabannya Alwanul sudah benar apa belum? Coba. Teman-teman yang lainnya, coba jawabannya Alwanul yang David go to Japan to play football ini sudah benar secara strukturnya? Sudah betul apa ada kesalahan? Atau Alwanul menemukan kesalahan dari apa yang kamu tuliskan, Wan? What is the condition? Apakah David sudah pergi ke Jepang atau akan pergi ke Jepang?
Akan.
So, gimana bilangnya? Go, akan bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Will.
Nah, berarti kalimatnya yang tepat bagaimana?
David
will go to Japan to play a football competition. Yes, is it correct? In other hand, David will be international football player. Okay, good. Then the difference. What are the differences between expression of hope and wish in dialogue 3? Read your answer, Wan.
I hope that you win the football competition next month and wish me. Salah.
Okay. What is the difference-nya? Di perbedaannya gimana, Wan, berarti? The meaning of I hope that you win the football competition next month itu sama maksudnya bagaimana itu?
Semoga menang di bulan depan.
Is it possible?
Mungkin. Possible.
Mungkin. So hope to express possibility. Express hope and possibility about David, ya. And then wish me luck here. What is the use of wish me luck here?
Semoga beruntung.
Semoga beruntung berarti express about good wish or willingness. So kalau kita simpulkan bersama-sama, I will stop my sharing screen first, and then if we conclude together about the function of hope and wish, there are differentiation between the use of hope and wish. Perbedaannya apa yang pertama tadi? Coba yang sudah mencatat. Hope itu digunakan untuk apa? Kemungkinan. In English we say to express hope with possibility, that possible to happen. Expressing hope is expressing hope that something will be happen by doing something. I think if you want to get good score, you have to study hard. I hope you get good score. Berarti it is possible, but you have to study hard. Gitu ya. Then what is the function of wish? What is the function of wish? What is the function of wish? Apa fungsinya wish di sini, apa sebagai apa? Okay, you can take a note. Open your book and take a note. I will show you the conclusion of the differentiation between hope and wish. I will share my screen again. Now, if you look here in this video, in this slide, the use of hope talk about possibility. I hope I can meet the doctor this afternoon. It is possible to meet the doctor this afternoon. I hope you win the singing competition. It is possible to win the singing competition. Next, the use of wish. There are three functions of using wish. The first is regret, like in the dialogue 2. When you feel regret, you can use wish. Like the example, I wish I could get A on my English test. I wish I could pass my exam. Itu kan menyesali hasil yang terjadi karena kamu tidak berusaha dengan maksimal. Jadi membayangkan saja
Menyesal.
menyesal. I wish I could meet you. Kan harusnya bisa ketemu tapi nggak ketemu gitu. Jadi ada penyesalan menggunakan wish. Kenyataannya itu terjadi apa tidak? Pertanyaan saya, in the reality, the situation it happen or no? Misalnya I wish I could get A on my English test. Apakah dia mendapatkan A?
No.
Tidak mendapatkan. So regret itu ya harusnya bisa tapi tidak bisa, menjadi sebuah penyesalan. Yang kedua adalah willingness or express good wish. Mendoakan orang lain atau mendoakan diri sendiri itu. Misal temanmu sakit, kamu bisa bilang wish you better soon atau wish you will better soon. Misal temanmu ulang tahun, kamu bisa bilang wish you all the best. Atau misal temanmu mau mempunyai kegiatan yang penting atau ikut lomba, atau kamu sendiri yang ikut lomba bisa bilang wish me luck atau wish you luck. Itu penggunaan dari wish. Jadi wish itu sebenarnya fleksibel, bisa digunakan seperti hope, tapi bisa juga untuk merujuk ke sesuatu yang penyesalan atau imaginary. And the last one, last not but least, imaginary. What is the imaginary? Itu membayangkan. Like I wish I could fly. Actually we can't fly. It is impossible to happen. I wish I could fly. I wish I could drive a car. I wish I had a lot of money. I wish I met you. Padahal akhirnya tidak bertemu kan. Jadi itu sebenarnya untuk membayangkan sesuatu yang kuncinya itu ada di possible dan impossible. Kalau possible itu punyanya siapa?
Hope.
Kalau possible punya siapa? Hope. Kalau impossible punya?
Wish.
Wish. Okay, good. The difference itu. Sekarang I will stop the sharing, then I will give you opportunity to send question. Kalau mau bertanya, to ask a question to me, silahkan bertanya. Kalau ada yang dibingungkan dari pelajaran yang hari ini. Do you have question? We can continue to the next activity. Can we continue to the next activity? Guys? Halo? Oke, kita lanjut ke aktivitas selanjutnya, yaitu we talk about your task. For your task is there are two tasks, summative and produktif. Produktifnya nanti kalian membuat yang sudah seperti kemarin saya bilang waktu kita ketemu, that you have to make expression using hope and wish, then you can send to me or send to your friend. Jadi kamu melakukan chat dengan temanmu by using WhatsApp. You do chatting with your friend by using WhatsApp, by using expression of hope and wish. If you chat with your friend, you can screenshot your chatting with your friend, then send the screenshot to me first. Or you can send message directly to me using your WhatsApp. In my WhatsApp, you can send the expression of hope and wish to me. Okay, and I will answer your expression. Like we do chatting like every day, like our daily activity, but in English. Okay, do you get the point about the task, the productive task? About making. Okay, then the second, you have to do this. I will send the link. Okay, you can look in the chat box. Okay, you can look at the chat box. You can do your assignment here. Your task here, summative task about expression of hope and wish. There will be 10 question. Nah, ini pakai Google Form. Yang belum bisa akan saya tunjukkan ini caranya. Will share my screen again. Okay. What about now? Still black or?
Sudah, Pak, sudah.
Okay. The first, you can choose your name here. I have written all of your name, so you can just choose your name, not your friend name. Okay. For the example, Raja, just click it. Then next, after that, you choose your class 9O. And then next, you have to write the token. Token adalah angka yang sudah saya berikan kepada kalian. Nah, angkanya yang harus kalian ketikkan ini nanti. Ya. Tokennya 0011. If you type the token and then click next, you will read the question and then you can answer the question by choosing. Diklik aja satu mana jawabannya dan nanti kamu kerjakan setelah pertemuan ini, nanti terakhir jam 12 malam. Setelah jam 12 nanti linknya saya tutup. Nah, yang tidak mengerjakan setelah itu maka tidak akan mendapatkan nilai. And you can meet me again next year. Jadi kalau nggak ngerjakan, nggak ada dapat nilai, ketemu lagi tahun depan di kelas 9 ya. Kalau mau masih ketemu saya di kelas 9, nggak usah dikerjakan, nggak apa-apa. Nanti kelas 9 tahun depan ketemu sama saya lagi. Oke, about this task, tidak ada pertanyaan ya. Za, your voice is very, you can mute. I mute your voice because maybe grounding in your device. Jadi suaranya terlalu itu ya, kasihan teman-teman yang lain.
Gereng.
Suaranya itu ngegren ya. Awan tuh yang paham anak sound tuh biasanya. Ya, Wan. Kalau ngegren saya gereng gitu. Ini yang tesnya di Google Form, itu nanti saya kirim juga di link WhatsApp-nya. Dan untuk tasnya, I give you one link again about the example of expression. So you can modify the expression and then you can use this expression and then you can modify. Ini kamu pakai aja bisa. di sini nanti, ya di sini. I will stop the presentation. Nah, di link ini kamu bisa menggunakan expression yang ada di sini untuk membuat expression yang akan kamu kirimkan ke temenmu nanti. Kamu bisa pakai yang ada di sini. Kamu bisa modify lah, sesuaikan dengan kondisinya. Ya. Okay. Do you have any question about the material today? Ada pertanyaan atau tidak? Silahkan disampaikan. Okay, before we going to the reflection ya. Before we going to the reflection, ada pertanyaan apa tidak tentang tugasnya mungkin? Tak ulang lagi berarti. Tugasnya tadi yang pertama apa? Coba. Tugasnya yang pertama apa, guys? Halo?
Google Form.
Ebit. Tugas yang
Google
pertama tadi
Google Form, Pak.
Google Form. Oke, yang
Google
kedua? Ya, yang kedua apa?
Kapan?
Video.
Not video. Fine, not video. Just send
Bikin percakapan.
ya percakapan tapi di WhatsApp chatting gitu loh. It's not necessary to make video. I do not assign you to make a video, but I ask you to make conversation. In the conversation contains expression of hope and wish, gitu ya. Pokoknya di conversation-nya itu nanti berisi tentang ekspresi hope dan wish gitu. Tugasnya hari ini seperti itu. Dan yang pertama tadi Google Form, yang kedua ya itu tadi. Oke. Tentang tugasnya very clear ya. Is it clear about the task? Do you have question about the task? Or if you have question, you can contact me in WhatsApp. Oke. Kalau masih malu-malu tanya sekarang, kalau belum kepikiran pertanyaan apa, you can contact me directly in my WhatsApp. Langsung aja ke WhatsApp pribadi saya, nggak usah ke grup. Because in our group there are a lot of teacher too, so maybe we'll disturb them. If you have question, you can send personal message to me, not in group message. Okay, about the task, and then what have we learned today? Now, what have we learned today? Yang sudah kamu pelajari hari ini apa saja?
Expression hope and wish.
Expression hope and wish, and their function. The difference is hope and wish. Okay, like I said before about the price, I will not broke my promise. Tandri, do you want to say something, Tandri? You open your mic. Oh, if you don't want to say something, please mute your mic ya. Kalau kamu mau ngomong silahkan, kamu open your mic. Kalau tidak mau ngomong, dimatikan saja nggak apa-apa. Because maybe the background noise will disturb your friend. Like I said before, I give you some prizes, but who are the most active in the class? Tadi yang datang pertama Wahid. Wahid masuk kandidat. Then the person who submit the work first, Fikri. And the most active person in the classroom, Alwan. So these three person will get some prizes from me. Wahid, Alwan, and Fikri. Okay. Where are they? Wahid, Alwan, and Fikri? Do you hear me?
Baik.
Okay. Okay, I will send the prize after this meeting ya. But I think I have to what? Diundi dulu kayaknya. Tiga-tiganya nggak sama kan? Undi dulu aja nanti ya. Diundi dulu because the price will be different one of and another. Yeah. Okay.
Iya, Pak.
Yeah, the price maybe will be different between one and another. Before I close the meeting, maybe something you want to say something to me? Apa, Noval? You raise your hand again. Mau tanya apa? Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, I will give you some announcement about the learning process. Okay, about the process nih, about MMH ya, about MMH. Nanti saya kirim di grup WhatsApp saja. Kelas MMH kalian. Nanti saya kirim di grup WhatsApp saja. So I think enough for today. We will meet again in the PTM class. I will meet you on Thursday. Ya, besok kita ketemu ya. Besok kita ketemu di kelas PTM. Have a nice day. And then I will close this meeting. Akhirul kalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ditutup dulu dengan doa kafaratul majelis. Subhanakallah.
Anta astagfirullah wa atubu ilaik.
Okay, see you next meeting guys. Keep safe, keep healthy. Selalu jaga protokol kesehatan. Nggak usah pergi kalau tidak ada kepentingan yang mengharuskan kalian untuk pergi ya. Sampai ketemu besok. Terus nanti untuk vaksinasi jadwal yang kedua nanti Pak Widi kabarkan lagi ya. Sehat-sehat selalu semuanya. You can leave the meeting. You can leave this meeting ya. You can leave this meeting. We can meet again. We will meet again tomorrow.